What is going on, social family? It's your boy, the one Lauren, aka Low Forbes, coming to shoot a video. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are staying safe during this pandemic, and you practice your social distancing and just remain safe during this time. So tonight, I just wanted to come and talk to you and share with you guys a passive income opportunity that was shared with me from one of my online friends. All right. The name of the program is called Forsage. You may have heard of it, you may have not heard of it. It's been doing its rounds on social media, it's been doing its rounds on YouTube and also on the blogs, right? And to me, it's just a very interesting program, and that's why I decided to join it. Um, the main things that why I wanted to join was because it's in the cryptocurrency space, and I'm interested in cryptocurrency. Also, this is one of the first programs that I've seen in the cryptocurrency space that is involved in crowdfunding, which I feel is very needed in these uncertain times where we have so many people unemployed, so many people getting ready to lose homes and not sure what the future holds. All right, I believe this program can help to change and do a lot of easing in the financial area of a lot of families. All right, so that's one of the main reasons why I decided to join it. And when I joined it, I have to be honest with you guys, I haven't really done much. I haven't done anything with the program. All right, I'm one of those guys, like the 95%. I join things and I observe. And what I want to do from here is to change the status quo of what I normally do and go full force with something, stand behind something that I believe in, and just share that opportunity with you. All right. So I brought you over to my Facebook page. I like to start off my videos on my Facebook page so that you know that I'm a real person. All right. And if you have any questions, then you can feel free to reach out to me at any time. You can contact me on my social media, and all my other contacts will be in the description below. All right. So I just want to go and show you the date and time so you can timestamp it. All right. Today is the 11th of August 2020. The time is 9:07 during this recording. So now, excuse me. So now we're going to go into the Forsage program. All right. So Forsage has two matrices, right? And they pay out in Ethereum. So let me just say, before we go any further, uh, if I say anything that you resonate with, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, right? So you can receive any future videos that I will upload, all right? So Forsage has two matrices attached to it, right? And it pays out in Ethereum. Now, just for clarification, Forsage does not hold your money. It is a peer-to-peer program, meaning that the money is paid straight to the wallets of the users of Forsage. All right, so back to what I was saying. It has two matrices. It has a 3x program and a 4x program. All right, and the ideal thing for you to do, right, to get the best out of this program is to come in at both the 3x and the 4x with how much ever you can afford, right? So I just want to be transparent and show you everything that I have going on, all right? So I came in at the 0.02, that's level 4 in the 3x, and I came in at level 5, that's 4.4 on the 4x, right? So there's a difference between the 3x and the 4x, and I'm going to break that down for you right now. The Forsage 3x is for builders, right? Meaning for those of you who are great at recruiting and building teams, this is ideal for you. So what you want to do is you want to come in as far as possible in the Forsage X3 and come in as far as possible in the Forsage X4. Now, for those of you out there that are not so great at building teams, or you're afraid of recruiting or whatever, you can just focus more on the 0.4 part of Forsage. I mean, the 4x part of Forsage, excuse me. Now, the 4x, it may take a while to build, but I just want to share with you my current results that I got from not doing anything, and I've been in it a little over 4 weeks, or a little over, a little under 4 weeks. Let's say even 4 weeks, right? So I had some overflow come from above, right? And the person fell right in this slot right here, right? So that's why I say you want to come in as far as possible. If I didn't have this would have went to the next person maybe under me, and they would have received this person, right? So at the same time, I just want you to know I didn't get a commission for it, but I did receive a person from spillover, right? So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not the best at explaining, so I'm going to let you watch the Forsage presentation, right? And if you have any questions for me about the Forsage presentation, please feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is below. My telephone number is below. Uh, and that one other thing, you may be wondering, well, hey, well, how am I going to promote this thing, right? So one of the things that you're going to get if you decided to join with me, you're going to get access to a free done for you funnel, right? That promotes Forsage, and it has about 7 other income streams attached, right? So I just want to show you what that looks like, all right? So you can see if you decide to sign up with me. Now, the name of the funnel is called My Income Club, right? It was created by Franco Gonzalez. He's one of the top earners in Forsage, and he's also one of the top earners along with on the other passive income streams attached to it. All right. So the ideal thing, what I would recommend is to start with one, build it out, and then move on to the next. Right. So I'm starting out with Forsage. I'm going to be promoting Forsage hard because, like I said, it's involved in crowdfunding, and I feel like crowdfunding is something that's very needed right now because it can really help to alleviate a lot of the financial woes that we have in society overall today. So with that being said, guys, I hope you take a look at it. Have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and please enjoy the presentation. All right, so that's it from me. My name is Lo Forbes, and I will see you guys in the next one.
In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how you can earn Ethereum daily, paid directly and instantly to your own Ethereum wallet, just like thousands of people around the world. Introducing the world's first 100% decentralized matrix project programmed on an Ethereum smart contract called Forsage, where 100% of the income goes directly and transparently to the members of the project with zero risk. Forsage's genius and lucrative matrix marketing plan was programmed on the Ethereum blockchain with revolutionary smart contract technology that executes the program automatically in a decentralized way, so no admins are needed to run the project. It's impossible for project creators or anyone to change the code and execution of the smart contract, and that is extremely powerful, as it ensures the project will keep running and there is zero risk or possibility of hacking into the smart contract or stopping the project. Unlike centralized cryptocurrency projects, the founders of Forsage never take or store members' cryptocurrency in any centralized location, so it's completely secure. 100% of all Ethereum payments are sent instantly and directly to the members of Forsage and stored in their personal Ethereum wallets, which they control the private keys. You can easily verify all of the transactions on the Ethereum blockchain as the project is fully transparent. Right now, over 2,000 people are joining the Forsage project worldwide every single day. With Forsage's decentralized project, you can get started with as little as 0.5 Ethereum, and the income potential is literally unlimited. You can earn even 1,000 Ethereum or more. Since February 2020, Forsage has helped thousands of people earn Ethereum, and some have earned hundreds of Ethereum in their first 3 to 8 weeks of getting started. Like the following Forsage members: ID 8679 earned 379 ETH. ID 8648 earned 301 ETH. ID 64 earned 466 ETH. ID 1 earned 843 ETH. ID 7977 earned 299 ETH. ID 113 earned 209 ETH. And by the time you check these IDs publicly on the blockchain, they will have earned even more Ethereum. Thanks to the powerful and lucrative Forsage Matrix Spillover Plan, it is possible to earn Ethereum even without referring anyone to the project. Just like, for example, ID 11181, who earned 28 ETH, and ID 20920, 24 ETH with zero referrals. How does the Forsage work? In the Forsage X3 program, below you are 3 places in one line. In the Forsage X4 program, below you are 2 lines, 2 places in the first line, and 4 places in the second line. When you register in Forsage with 0.05 ETH, you open both programs simultaneously. In each of these 2 programs, Forsage X3 and Forsage X4, there are 12 slots. Each subsequent slot you purchase is 2 times the value of the previous one, and it generates twice the income as well. Each slot generates you income unlimited times with no expiration. For example, the 0.1 ETH slot generates you 0.1 ETH over and over again. The 0.2 ETH slot generates you 0.2 ETH again and again. Then 0.4 ETH, 0.8 ETH, 1.6 ETH, 3.2 ETH, 6.4 ETH, 12.8 ETH, 25.6 ETH, and 51.2 ETH slots generate you 0.4 ETH, 0.8 ETH, 1.6 ETH, 3.2 ETH, 6.4 ETH, 12.8 ETH, 25.6 ETH, and 51.2 ETH respectively over and over again an unlimited amount of times. In Forsage X3, you get 100% of the payment to your ETH wallet from spots 1 and 2. Spot 3 reopens the slot again, and payment goes to your upline. In Forsage X4, members who take 2 places below you in the first line go to your upline, or they spill over to someone else on your team. You receive 100% of the payments on the second line. Spots 3, 4, and 5 go to your wallet, while spot 6 reopens this slot's matrix again with empty spots, and payment goes to your upline. There is a system in place that incentivizes members to upgrade to higher slots in the matrix from the profits they already made. Otherwise, they can lose profits while you can earn extra profits. This ensures that active members will eventually upgrade to all 24 slots. You can only earn ETH on active slots. How many slots can be activated immediately? As many as you want. The more slots you activate, the more ETH you can earn, and you will not miss out on any income from partners upgrading before you or MATRIX spillover. It is recommended to start with at least 4 to 6 slots in both Forsage X3 program and Forsage X4 program. Leaders usually start with more than 6 slots, some with 10 slots in each matrix to earn more from the beginning. You can create unstoppable passive income with Forsage as we grow and help more people around the world. For more details on how Forsage Matrix marketing works, please watch our full video. It's important to realize Forsage is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Income is not guaranteed, and if you want to earn a lot of Ethereum, then you need to put in the effort. Our winning team provides all the training, resources, step-by-step tutorials, and support to help you achieve your goals. Ethereum is second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin, with the most developers than any other cryptocurrency. Since 2015, it went up in value from $1 to $1,400 at the peak, and experts predict the price of ETH can skyrocket to over $2,000 in the next 12 to 24 months. It's time to earn Ethereum now. To get started, you need to install the Trust Crypto Wallet app on your phone or MetaMask ETH wallet on your PC and deposit enough ETH there to register and then activate the amount of slots that you want one by one. Please watch the step-by-step video tutorials on how to get started and contact the person who shared with you this video. Welcome to Forsage, the first ever 100% decentralized matrix project.